All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here, a little something different that we don't usually have cars like this, but I bought this from one of my classic car customers because it was an extra car, extra vehicle, I should say. So it's a 2015 Volvo XC60. It's a front wheel drive. It's the Platinum Edition. It's got the panoramic moonroof, leather heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, backup camera. It's got all the goodies. Got steering wheel controls, but it's a pretty spry little guy. It's a 2-liter, small little engine with turbos, or turbocharger. So it's got plenty of power to get up on the freeway. It stops well, steers well, very comfortable. So it's a good, safe, and Volvos are known to be safe, so it's a good, safe little family car if you want to take your family in it, or your friends. But it's finished in metallic silver, of course, with the black interior. It's got the 20-inch wheel option. I've got the window sticker. I guess the Platinum edition is like $7,500, so lots of little goodies included in that. So anyway, we'll go up here and take some more pictures for you so you can get a good look at it and show you the rest of it. A little video. All right, here's a nice little transportation car if you need one for the family. It's a 2015 Volvo XC60 T5 E-Drive, I guess they call it. Automatic transmission. It's an 8-speed automatic, 2-liter engine, turbocharged. Nice running little car. It's got a little receiver there for, you know, bicycle rack or something like that. Dual exhaust. This one has the Platinum package, so it's got 20-inch wheels, full leather interior, heated steering wheel, heated seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, got the HID headlights, panoramic sunroof, which I really like too. Yeah, it's got little bumps and bruises here, little, you know, stone chips, the mirrors, the clears coming off the mirrors. Just some things you could do if you wanted to make it nice, but you know, this was real expensive when it was new, and now pretty reasonable. We have it listed for $13,900, which is a few $1,000s under market from what I see. But it's a good car. Service records, clean Carfax, well taken care of, maintenance-wise. It was a second car for the previous owner. But it's got navigation, backup camera, all the power goodies, power windows, power seats. Nice little car. Good, pretty good on gas too. Here's the power plant in the Volvo XC60. Little engine, little 2-liter, turbocharged, real simple, easy to get to everything. Maintenance shouldn't be too bad at all. Doesn't look like it was in the past. I mean, it's got 103,000 miles on it, and records aren't bad at all. Go ahead, and it's got proximity key, so just push button start. That little infotainment system there. Of course, Bluetooth, and listen to music off your phone. Nice quiet little motor, runs good. Like I said, comes with a stack of records, 2 keys. Nice and quiet. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car. Thanks for watching.